Choosing the best place to stay in Pushkar can be quite difficult because there are tons of hotels and resorts and even luxury tents in this area. So in this video, we have compiled a list of the 15, not 10, but 15 most luxury and most premium resorts in Pushkar. We have made a separate video with the best budget resorts in Pushkar. We have made a separate video with the best hotels in Pushkar. We always suggest that you look before you book. So watch this video till the end, and you might as well as watch the other videos as well, because they will give you the best idea before you book your hotels if you're planning to stay in Pushkar. Some of these hotels gives us an amazing discount, which makes it a really high value for your money. Special discounts and their direct hotel booking codes are given in our description. So should you wish to book in any of these resorts, you can directly check out our links in our description box. The Westin Resorts and Spa. This is no doubt, hands down, one of the best resorts in Pushkar. They are a super premium and super elegant resort. They also have the best ambience in the area. The resort is just amazing. They have a large one-of-a-kind swimming pool, and they also have a fitness center and provide yoga sessions as well. They also have an indoor mini theater with top-of-the-line sound system. They also provide a tour pickup and a drop-off facility should you want to dip in the Holy Lake. The Westin also have a number of restaurants giving you a different ambience in each and every one of them depending on your taste. They also provide breakfast at the pool should you wish to experience extra royalty. And needless to say, no 5-star resort is complete without having a heavenly spa which provides a number of treatments. And of course, they have a number of room options from the deluxe room to the villas. Well, frankly speaking, all the rooms are amazing, but we do recommend you to opt for the villas. The premier villa have a bathtub and also a balcony. Now the luxury villa is something else altogether. They have an indoor mini pool instead of the bathtub. And the royal villa have an outdoor private pool. They normally have a huge price difference between the deluxe room and the villas. The deluxe room starts at around 12,500 and the most expensive royal villa is only for 17,000 rupees. Should you wish to book, we suggest you to check our links in our description. The Pratap Mahal. This property has recently been acquired by the Taj Group of Hotels. So frankly speaking, there is not much to say about this place. The name says it all. Taj is one of the leading luxury hotel chains in India and maintain a very high standard of luxury. Taj Hotels have always provided the perfect blend of premium comfort while keeping culture and heritage in mind. Pratap Mahal gives you exactly that. They have a beautiful shaped swimming pool and provides a number of activities during your stay in this resort. They have a fitness center equipped with the latest machines. The Aravalli mountain view from the hotel is also just breathtaking. Another exciting thing about this resort is that they provide balcony for all the rooms. Even their basic room have a swing or a jula inside the room. This is probably the only hotel or resort in Pushkar providing this facility. They have a number of room options. Their superior room have an ethnic ambience with a swing and a bathtub with the courtyard view. Their deluxe room have an ethnic ambience with a swing and a bathtub providing the hills view. Their luxury rooms provide a clean modern vibe. So no swing, no bathtub, but with the hills view and direct room to shower access. Their executive suite provide ethnic ambience with a large living room and a balcony. And their highest room is their selection suite, the largest room in this resort and probably the largest room in the entire Pushkar. Our special prices starts at around 6,000 rupees and goes up to 22,000 rupees for the most expensive room. The cheapest booking codes are provided in our description. The Nature Village Resort. Every once in a while you come across a property that is really amazing. You start thinking that how did they even think of making something like this? This resort will blow your mind. This is a newly built property in 2020. This resort is around 30 minutes from the Pushkar Lake. They have a stunning ambience. The perfect place to go to have personal bonding with the people you love. Once you are here, you will most likely be trapped in your rooms and in the resort. You don't have to worry about food because they provide amazing food with Indian as well as international variety. All the rooms here include a private pool and the facilities are just too exotic for us to explain in a short while. We plan to make a specific video regarding this resort and we would be giving you the details in our description. The general idea is the hotel rooms are really amazing. My personal favorite is the exotic villa, but depending on your budget, get any villa room. Spend 2-3 days minimum here, celebrate a birthday, anniversary party or any big day and you will have a great time. Each villa prices are normally around 15 to 35,000, but booking with us will only cost you around 7 to 17,000. Check our links for more information. The Ananta Spa and Resorts. Ananta is a chain of luxury hotels and resorts all over India. Their Pushkar property is also one of the finest in their lineup of hotels. They have a huge 5-star resort, very nice and very comfortable. And due to its price point, it is also one of the best-selling resorts in Pushkar. Ananta Pushkar provides a number of premium facilities such as a beautiful swimming pool, a top-of-the-line fitness center, a full-fledged gaming room, a lawn in which you can play cricket, football, and even a badminton. They even provide picnics and barbecue service in their huge lawn area. They have 3 different kind of restaurants providing 3 different ambience and even floating breakfast and romantic dinners. They have a variety of room options and all of them are just mind-blowing. They have the classic standard room, a super deluxe cottage with balcony, the luxury cottage with sit-out with an open shower, a premium cottage with jacuzzi inside. They also have tent rooms with normal shower and their tent suite with an open shower. The only problem with this hotel is that it gets sold out really fast. Probably the most value for money resort in this area, and our special prices starts at only around 2,000 rupees for the basic room and goes up to only 10,000 rupees for the most premium tent suite. Arambagh Resort. Arambagh literally means the calming garden in English. This resort provides exactly just that. Arambagh have a very unique civilization theme around the hotel. It is a really beautiful, huge resort providing dozens of activities. They have a beautiful spa next to one of their kind infinity pool. They provide folk dance during sunset. They have a poolside dinner with a variety of local as well as international cuisine. They also provide ATV rides in the deserts nearby, a tractor safari rides to the nearby farm, and a DJ party room. They have different types of civilization and rooms are based on that. There's an Arabian style room, an Egyptian style room, a Persian style room, a Greek style room, and even the standard tribal rooms. We recommend getting any of the rooms with the private pool or a private bathtub. The prices starts at around 4,000 rupees for the normal villas and around 5,000 rupees for the rooms with a private pool. The Greenhouse Resort. This is an amazing Rajasthani premium resort. You would be staying in tents to experience the authentic Rajasthani experience. They have a tent ambience in this resort. The kids play area is in a tent. The conference hall is also in a tent. Their spa is also in a tent. Their swimming pool is outdoors though. Another exciting thing about this hotel is that they have their own greenhouse that provides raw materials for their amazing restaurant. They provide Indian as well as international cuisine. This is probably why the resort is called the Greenhouse Resort. Apart from that, the resort also provides you with all the help that you will need to enjoy the various activities provided by Pushkar. They have 3 types of rooms and all are huge. The superior tent have a shower and a premium tent have a bathtub. Their suite room have a swimming pool view and a bathtub and is larger than the average Indian city houses. Prices are normally ranging between 7 to 10,000 rupees, but with our special booking codes, they go down to around 4,000 rupees per room. The Gulab Nevas Palace. Generally speaking, it's always difficult to get a nice palace resort that is well maintained at a good budget. Gulab Nevas is exceptional for standing out. This resort will make you feel like you're part of the royal family. This is not a fort type resort, this is a palace. They have an amazing restaurant serving local as well as international cuisine, a beautiful garden and royalty swimming pool. Looking at this palace itself is just beautiful. There are unlimited picture-perfect spots for your various social media. Gulab Nevas also specialize in royal weddings. They have a variety of room options starting with the deluxe room all the way to the suite room with the balcony. The normal price for these rooms are around 6 to 7,000 rupees, but with our special booking codes, you can get them for only around 3,600 rupees. The booking codes are provided in our description. The Jagat Palace. The Jagat Palace is an old building which goes through regular renovation and upgrades. The huge garden and their huge swimming pool is what makes this resort a luxury resort. They have a beautiful rustic traditional Rajasthani experience the moment you enter the resort. They have tall ceilings in the lobby with beautiful Mughal feeling will make you feel like Indian royalty. You also have a 360 degrees view from the terrace. You also have a number of swings inside the resort just to relax and enjoy the Rajasthani vibe. Rooms are traditional and comfortable. They have a variety of rooms and the discounted rates are for around 5,800 rupees. We have a couple of more resorts coming up, but before that, we would like to invite you to our Premium Travels Club. This is a travel club in which we provide you exclusive promos, special deals, and regular giveaways from our sponsors. If you like free stuff, we strongly suggest that you join the club. It's completely free and details regarding that are provided at the end of this video and also in our description. The Jollywood Resort, one of the most famous resorts in Pushkar. This is famous for a reason. They provide good quality service and I would say the perfect mix of traditional Rajasthani experience and a modern feeling. This is famous for the crowd from Delhi coming in to refresh for a few days. Their restaurant food is also amazing and they can cater to hundreds of people at a time in their banquet hall. And of course, no resort is complete in Rajasthan without a beautiful swimming pool. There are 4 types of rooms and they all have really beautiful bathrooms. Their slightly more expensive rooms even have a balcony with private swimming pool and a beautiful view, making this perfect for honeymoon and couples. Room prices are around 4,500 rupees and you can get a direct booking with our cheapest codes in the description. The Banwar Singh Palace. Normally, when you get a palace type resort, they are normally old and not maintained properly. If they are newly built and maintained, then they are really expensive. Banwar Singh's Palace just defy all odds. Their ambience is mind-blowing. It is a relatively new building providing all the modern amenities inside the building. They have a huge beautiful swimming pool and an amazing restaurant that provides your meal either in your room, in the poolside, or in the beautiful gardens overlooking the Aravalli Hills. They have over 70 royal rooms and around 40 royal villas. The interiors of the rooms are all royalty. The main difference between the royal room and the royal villas is the room sizes. Prices depends on when you make the booking. Our limited special prices are for around 3,900 rupees for the royal room and around 4,500 for the royal villas. Links are available in the description. The Regenta Resorts Pushkar, a beautiful property by the Royal Orchards Regenta Group. They are one of the big hotel and resort chain all over India, having over 70 hotels in 45 cities. Regenta Pushkar is also one of their prized property. It is also one of the best-selling resorts in Pushkar due to its ambience and budget. This resort is comparatively easier on the pocket for its facilities. As you would have noticed, the building itself is beautiful. They have a huge garden for the kids to play around with and a beautiful swimming pool overlooking the Aravalli Hills. They have an indoor gaming area with billiards, foosball as well as carom. Their restaurant also provides you a mixture of local as well as international cuisine. This is a budget-friendly luxury resort, perfect to spend a couple of days relaxing and taking as many picture-perfect Instagrammable pics in various spots. They have a variety of rooms and all the rooms provide a mix of modern amenities with rustic Rajasthani theme. Their standard rooms are in a tent-like ambience. Their deluxe room is slightly larger and have a fancier ambience. And their suite room is way larger and almost twice the size of their standard room, filled with a living room. Normal prices are around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, but we have limited special price rooms for around 3,800 rupees only. Details regarding that can be viewed in our description. The Dera Masuda Luxury Resort. This is one of the most famous resorts in Pushkar for a number of reasons. It provides the luxury of the best resorts but with a really good budget. They have a very modern ambience. You won't get the Rajasthani vibe here. Here you will get the fancy foreign vibe. A stunning swimming pool and a very comfortable cozy resort feeling. They have a balcony even in their cheapest rooms. Their more premium rooms have a pool view and their beautiful suite rooms are just huge. They have very limited rooms and these rooms get sold out really fast. All the rooms have huge windows making the rooms really bright and fresh. Overall, a really recommended resort. Our special price can go down as low as 3,100 rupees depending on your time of stay. Check out our booking codes to book before it gets sold out. The Foothill Pushkar Resort. This resort is at the foothill of the Aravalli mountain. The resort have a unique ambience altogether. They provide a nomadic lifestyle ambience, but of course with better luxury. They have a total of only 12 tents, some of them being Swiss tents and some of them being Manchan tents. Either of these tents will provide you unforgettable experience. Their restaurant is also famous for providing hot vegetarian meals. This resort is particularly famous for travelers coming in from Jaipur and Delhi for a weekend getaway. Since their rooms are really limited, we do recommend you to book as soon as possible. Our discounted price are for around 3,700 rupees per night. The Lohana Village Resort, a beautiful luxury tent and cottage resort providing a quieter and calmer feeling compared to the Rawai luxury tents. The resort have a rustic Rajasthani village type ambient. This is ideal for the busy city travelers wishing to relax. Their swimming pool is clean and really pretty. They also have an in-house restaurant providing a variety of meals, also in a tent-like ambience. They have a variety of tents and cottages, and their highest room type even have a private pool access to cool down the hot Rajasthani heat in your own room. Our special room prices goes down to only around 2,500 rupees per night. Direct booking codes are in our description. The Ravai Luxury Tents. This is a very unique hotel, perfect for those of you who would like to experience something really different. All the rooms here are in the form of tents. But these are not the type of tents that you normally get while staying in a desert. These are luxury tents complete with AC, TV, private bathroom and all that. Their swimming pool is not the largest compared to the other resorts, but it is one of the few resorts located very close to the Brahma temple. They also have a camel safari quite close to the hotel should you wish to explore. There are also quite a number of restaurants nearby the area. Overall, this resort is quite exciting. It might not be for everyone, but if this resort is something that you're looking for, they have a number of rooms. Our limited discounted price starts at around 2,400 rupees. You can check our booking codes for the prices on your dates. Which is your favorite resort? Given a choice of a free stay, which one would you prefer staying in? Give us your answer in the comment section so that we can hear from your side as well. The information regarding the Travels Club can be viewed over here, and the information regarding the best hotels to stay in Pushkar can be viewed over here. We hope that you had a great stay in Pushkar. See you next time. Bye bye.